you at the edge of my mind, hanging by a thread in lifeline, just when you would ask for closure.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I am back. Okay, I know it's been a little minute. I just decided to come to you guys and do my birthday dinner makeup. I did go ahead and have a dinner because of, what's going on in the world right now. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and use these new products, these hype products, and see what it's all about. As y'all can see, my face kind of looking a little baked. Okay, but if you really want to get the tea, the real tea, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, so welcome back. I already did my brows off camera. I went ahead and just like a beat face type of brow. I didn't do like a very natural brow. But starting off, I'm going in with the Jackie Aina palette. This palette was very, very hyped up. And it's not like hyped up to be like a bad thing. It's actually hyped up to be like really good or whatever. And actually, like, my opinion is like really, really good, y'all. Like the pigment, the blendation, if that's a word, all of this stuff with this palette is like really, really good. So that first shade y'all saw me use, I was using was Ginger, and y'all, that shade is like really, really pretty, you guys. It's very pretty for like the transition shade or just whatever you want to do. I'm going in with this second shade, which is in the shade Edges, and then I'm just going to just pop a little concealer on their lid. I'm using the e.l.f. concealer. It's the camo concealer that I've used previously, and I believe it's in the shade Tan. I'm not sure, but all the products will be listed down below. So I'm just putting it on my lid so the color that I will be using, which is Sponsored, can pop more. So yeah, you guys, I really like the way this eye look came out. It's very simple to do, and I'm just going to go ahead and use Credit to blend out the edges, smoke out the edges, because y'all know that's how your girl do her thing. Okay, I will be going in with this Wet n Wild liquid liner from I already said that. I'm going in with this Wet n Wild liquid liner in the shade Black. I've used it previously. It's one of my favorites, so I'm just going to go ahead and just, go ahead and use it today. Y'all, this palette is really, really good, y'all. Like, you know what I'm saying? Some products people be overhyping because because of the person. But yeah, she's very popular in the beauty field, and she's also very good with her makeup, and this palette is really pretty. I love the colors that she chose for this palette. It is like something you can pop on every day. Like, she did have some colors in this palette, but you can still like wear them every day. Like, they're very wearable. They're not just like boom, pow, boom in your face. Like, it's very pretty. I love the way this palette came together. Another product that I will be using is this Maybelline mascara. I have used it previously. It's also one of my favorite mascaras, so I always like go and pick it up whenever I see it. I really like Maybelline mascaras, you guys, so I just go ahead, get into it, all of that. And they brushes on this one is like really small to get in my little bitty hairs that I do have. Okay, so moving along, I will be trying out these Envy lashes. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the red pack. I will be using the other ones in another tutorial for you guys, so you guys can see how they look. The foundation that I will be trying out today is the NARS foundation. I always see this foundation. A lot of people really love it, you guys. So I just decided to pick it up for myself and try it out. And a lot of people that I see use it be having their skin looking flawless. Their makeup be bomb. It's just, and when I tried this out, baby, I was just feeling myself, okay? I was like, yes, perfect foundation for the birthday sleigh. Okay, perfect. So it is really, really smooth, and it's like really, really flawless looking. Like, y'all, this video camera do not do no justice for this foundation. And I'm not even being like, just hyping this product up. Like, it's really, the hype is really, really real, y'all. Like, no cap. So I'm just going to be blending out my foundation. I like to pretty much blend it out to when it doesn't look like really wet looking. I like to blend it out as much as possible. Make sure I'm blending it on every inch of my face, you guys. And yeah, that's making it look flawless, making sure everything is just covered, okay? Okay, you guys, so next I will be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is my first time ever using this type of concealer and ever using this concealer, period. I had picked up the shade Deep, and y'all know I like to like contour first, so I'm just going to be contouring with this. It kind of looks like a highlighter shade or like a concealer, like to conceal shade, whatever, to highlight shade. But when it oxidizes down, it gets darker, and it doesn't like look really dark and stuff like that. Like after I add my powder and stuff, everything just like pretty much comes together. It's not too dark or none of that stuff. Like it just looks very good and like very flawless. Okay. Hey guys, so I pretty much just blended it all out. I did also pick up the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I will be highlighting all the areas I like to highlight. That's my forehead, my nose, above my lip, my chin area, under my eyes, you know, that good stuff. This concealer is very like on the market or whatever. It's like always popular. A lot of people tries it out, and I really like the way it like did my makeup. I also did pick up the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to be blending out all of that contour and that highlight and just setting it in place with this Fenty Beauty setting powder. A little bit about the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It is very moisturizing. Like, I guess for my skin, like it did not dry my under eyes out or anything like that. I did, prime my face and moisturize before I did my whole foundation routine and stuff like that. Yeah, it didn't like dry my skin out or anything like that. It's like really, really nice, you guys. So please believe the hype. The hype is real, and it's really real, okay? In my opinion, I really love the way this whole concealer is constructed and everything like that. I also do love the powder, the Fenty Beauty powder. It's like really, really light, you guys, and it makes your makeup look super flawless, and it's like really, really sleek. Like it just make your makeup look so sleek and so snatched. Like y'all don't understand, okay? Like yeah, the Pro Filtered setting powder is like really, really nice, you guys. It was easy for me to blend it and to like dust off. You know how I like to dust the powder off and stuff. It was like very, very easy for me to do that. And yeah, I feel like you guys should really pick up some of these products. I feel like my face really came out good. Like I really did my research before I went and picked up a lot of these hype products, and I just really just tested the waters with everything, okay? So yeah, I feel like my whole round with me using it and everything, it worked out really good for me. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my opinion on all of these products that I am so-called using right now, okay? Yeah, y'all should go try them out. And let me know in the comments if you have tried any one of these products, you know what I'm saying? And just let your girl know what you think about some of these products. Or, if you have not tried it, do you plan on trying it or anything like that? So after I wiped it all, the powder away, I'm going to go in with some finishing powder. And this powder is from L'Oreal. I have used it previously, and it's in the shade Cream Cafe. And I'm just going to be putting that on all the parts that I had put the Fenty Pro Filter setting powder, and just blend it all in. After you get that contour looking snatched, we're going to go ahead and go back into this ABH Jackie Aina palette. We're going to be taking the shade Edges and then smoking out the lower lash line with that. And then you guys are going to be seeing me contour my nose up a little bit because I did not do that. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. So after I snatch my nose up, I'm gonna go back in with this Wet n Wild liquid liner. I like to just reapply my moles or my beauty marks to my face because they tend to like disappear. And if you guys don't know, like, I do have like light freckles on my face, but they disappear as well when I put like foundation. But yeah, I'm just going to be bringing back those. And then I will be going back in with this palette and taking this like coral type shade as a blush, okay? Y'all have seen me do this previously in other videos. It's really like a like, you can use this palette for a lot of different things, okay? Not just like eyes. You can really use it and it be really creamy and buttery on your face, okay? So we're just going to blend it on out, and make it look snatched, okay? Making it all come together, period. Going in with this city bronzer from Maybelline. This is one of my favorite bronzers, and we're just going to go over the contour just a little bit, you know, just to make everything tie in together. And then, yeah, just make sure you blend it out real good and have that face looking snatched. Be going in with this Wet n Wild pencil. This is an eyebrow pencil, I believe, but I always like buy them to like use it for my lips. So I'm just going to be outlining my lips with that. It's like the perfect shade of dark brown for my lips that I like, and it works really good, you guys. And it's like really easy to apply as well, okay? You can apply it with, you know, lip gloss already on, or you can just leave it dry like how I have it now, and it just apply good, okay? It blends out good. We're going in with the new product, which is the Be Simone Beauty Detox Gloss, and I'm just going to pop that on. You guys, this is so creamy. This stuff is really, really nice products. Like, it was a little steep for just a gloss, okay, baby? But it's really nice, okay? We're going in with this Milani highlighter, and I'm just going to be applying it on all the parts I love to highlight, which is my nose, the tip of my nose, you know, my cheeks, and my brow bone as well. I'll be going back in with the ABH Jackie Aina palette, and I will be taking this gold shade and putting it in the corners. It's in the shade Zam, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray my Morphe setting mist. This is my first time using this as well, and guys, having that face beat, period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you did, and leave them comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't like when people are like very, very judgmental about somebody, you know what I'm saying? Like, it really gets to me when people sit here and be acting like they have other people's life figured out.